Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video we're in the beautiful resort of Marmaris in Turkey for a boat ride. Now Marmaris is famous for partying, for its vibrant nightlife and a stunning coastline, and we're going on a boat ride today on this boat, the Grand Fantasia. I booked this through Get Your Guide and it cost around £20, which is great value for money because this was a 6-hour boat trip which included a buffet lunch and drinks. I'm surprised this boat isn't packed to the rafters. In actual fact, we had plenty of room to move around and plenty of places to relax. And it was a beautiful warm day on the water. As well as the barbecue lunch and free soft drinks, we also had a free bus transfer to the boat itself. And it's a very competitive market in terms of these boat rides, and you'll find when you're walking down the Marmaris Strip there'll be lots of people asking you whether you're interested in a boat ride, so you can get a really good deal. And this was an amazing deal. On this video we're going to be visiting Turunc Island, Wishing Cave and other places. You can actually get a boat to Rhodes from Marmaris, if of course that's what you want to do. The great thing about being here is you can do exactly what you like, and it is a relaxing place. Got to say, whilst we enjoyed going into the nightclubs, the boat ride was the highlight of the trip for me. Very relaxing, and the staff on here were very entertaining. And the lads here really giving it a good go, and it's just a shame there wasn't more people on the boat to enjoy this trip, because it really was a great trip. And here's a super yacht. Imagine owning that. Sitting on board, drinking cocktails. In fact, being served cocktails. Why not? Beautiful. Gonna stop in a little village in a moment and we'll show you that. And would you do this? I've got to say, I definitely would not. Don't think they'd be able to get me up, and I'd certainly come down very quickly. And we did stop, and people were diving off the boat into the water, and I didn't, because I get a bit frightened of I can get off okay, but am I going to be able to get on as well? But I did go swimming, as you can see in this little clip that's coming up. I love the water, but like I say, sometimes I'm a bit nervous about doing that and trying to get back on the boat afterwards. The tour did include a 1 hour stopover at the village of Turunc. This small town is around 20 minutes drive from Marmaris. It has a population of around about 2,000 and it's swelled, of course, with tourism, and they obviously rely on tourism. There's lots of small shops, gift shops, restaurants, bars and cafés so that you can spend some of your money. And there's the local mosque. And a nice little street here, you can see where there would have been some market stores maybe. Beautiful day, the sky is so blue. It wasn't the warmest when we were there because it was more or less out of season. And as you walk down this path towards the beach, you'll see the crystal clear waters. And do bring some shoes if you're going on the beach because it is a little bit rocky. The water itself was quite cold at this time of year. I think we were there in something like April, so slightly out of season. Not the hottest time, although it was very hot. I wouldn't want it any hotter, to be honest with you. And beautiful plants and flowers. Very green place. And this lovely rocky beach. And views of the mountains. And this translates to how happy am the one who says, I am Turkish. And the saying was first coined in 1933 on the 10th anniversary of the commencement of the Republic of Turkey. As we climb back onto the boat and set back off, we stop here in these turquoise waters for a little dip. And someone there going with a bit of a splash. Quite breathtaking, really. You have to be there. Have you been to Marmaris, and what did you think? And have you been on one of these boat rides? Like I say, great value for money this. I was quite shocked it was so quiet. You can't actually get to these caves via road, so you have to come on a boat. And the boats can't go into the caves because the boats are too big. But you can swim in and swim out again. And we're heading back to the port now, having had this 6-hour boat trip. Very good it was too. Oh, but look who's driving back. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.